Hi, my name is Tomas Ryan, manager of the Teagasc Pig Research Facility, and welcome to our second bi-weekly video update on the progress in the Teagasc pig farm. So the last video we posted, we were just bringing 32 sows into farrow. That was our farrowing week. As I explained briefly in that last video, we run a 3-week batch system here. So farrowing is 1 week, the subsequent week is weaning, and then the week after that is serving. So in the last 2 weeks, we've travelled the full 3-week batch system in its cycle. So we farrowed, we had roughly 475 pigs born. Each sow at the moment is carrying a little under 15 piglets at the moment. Last week saw us wean about 25 sows out from the previous farrowing 3 weeks before that. We weaned approximately 13.5 pigs per sow in that weaning, giving us a weaning of around 340 pigs. And this week then we are serving. So we started serving our sows Monday morning. We served again today, Tuesday, and there will also be some servings of some gilts that were incorporated into that batch tomorrow. So hopefully by tomorrow then we'll have around 31 or 32 sows to complete that batch served, and they will farrow down then in hopefully 116 days time. So the unit itself is working quite well. COVID-19 restrictions are still in place and will be for the foreseeable future by the looks of it. Looking at the unit and the functioning of it, our main kind of worry is sales and how factories may be affected by outbreaks within their own staff. So what we have here in Moorepark currently, in our weaning section, we have about a week and a half's space that we use for washing, disinfecting, drying, and the same in the finishing building. I suppose the bones of 3 weeks of contingency space, if all comes to all and we're not allowed or not able to sell as many pigs as we would like for a number of weeks. So in a bit to just give us a small bit more breathing space there, we have been forward selling a little over the last while. It hasn't really affected our growth rates yet, or our sale carcass weights, but we probably have an extra week in hand at the moment just to cover ourselves. Other than that, everything is going good.